Hi to everyone. It's calculus, trigonometric identities and their addition and subtraction, especially doing angles. So we know that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi. So these are degrees, 360 and 2 pi. These are two systems, radians and degrees. We are familiar with this. And for simplification, we have pi is equal to 180 degree. And then trigonometric is identity is related to the right angle triangle. So in which one angle is 90 degree. This is a theta, the most explained theta in mathematics. So let's say this is we also did this triangle AOB in which sine theta is equal to B by A, perpendicular beta hypotenuse. Cos theta is A by C, base beta hypotenuse, and tangent theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base b by a. So all the remaining other three are the inverse like sec and cotangent, and these three other thetas are the inverse of this excuse me, of these trigonometric identities. So we also know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is also important, and we also know that in a coordinate system, in xy plane, each point has two coordinates x and y, and we also knew that we have four quadrants in the xy plane: one, two, three, four. The first one we have positive, positive. The second one y is positive, x is negative, and the third one both x and y are negative, and the fourth x is positive, y is negative. It's just the sign, the distance remain the same. But here is another thing which is very important in the higher study. It's called the fundamental law of trigonometry. The fundamental law of trigonometry. So which is the first, this is the basic one, cos alpha. This is the basic fundamental trigonometric laws. From this, all other identities are, and the difference of angle are derived from this basic law. So what are they? We're gonna prove it in the next video. But first to mention, this is what we can derive from this. So these all these we can derive from this one, cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. And the d1, which is also important, tangent. So this is the angle, like we have two angles, alpha and beta. So this is the addition and subtraction of the trigonometric identities. We gonna use this a lot in derivation and integration. Uh, it's we can derive just adding in the basic fundamental line we can derive it. So this is a two when you need when you are going to adding the two same angle, like two alpha or two beta, these type of, so you can then derive and solve your problem from this. And there is a this is also common. So these are common identities, and there are many more. So sometime if like for example, if you want to find some, so you can put another one, one angle with another angle, and then you will get another identity. So here is I can give you an example. Like if you want to find out uh, cos alpha plus beta from the fundamental uh, law of trigonometry, trigonometric identities. So just you have to change something. So by using, so what we do here, We just replace by putting in this one the beta angle. This is one, the basic one. So by putting uh, minus beta, beta by minus just this one. So here when you put in this the basic law, uh, cos alpha minus, and then you put minus beta is equal to, so what you see here, cos alpha sinus sine minus beta. So there is another proof which you can check, that cos minus beta, this angle is equal to cos beta. Sine minus beta is equal to minus sine beta. So this is already proved. So cos minus beta in the this one, cos alpha cos minus beta is equal to cos beta, and sine minus beta, which is this one, is equal to minus sine beta, this one. So so it will become, so just by replacing or and changing the sign, we got another identity. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So this is can do step by step to prove all these things, just putting the value. And let me prove it in another video. Mm, I will prove this one by diagram, the fundamental law, because then the video will be very long. So thank you and have a nice day.